Hello and welcome to this video. What you see here in the vise is the EVVA thumb term Euro cylinder that I recently received from richardwales. So richardwales, this is your EVVA lock that you sent to me, the one with the most evil keyway. And I want to try to pick this. So I already removed the clips, as you can imagine, from the loose thumb term. And yeah, I will try to pick this. And therefore I will use my very thin pick that I recently received from Sparrows and give it a try now. Hope you can see that. Oops, and open, as you can see. So no counter, no false set, no counter rotation, just opened. Only standard pins, I would say. So, okay. I think my follower is not long enough. Good work. Let's keep that in frame. So. Okay. Pull it out just a little bit, just to remove this thing here. Again, I forgot the name. Okay, so it's gone. So now I can take my. So there is no key actually. So I have to really take care I don't lock it up again. I think this should work. Okay, here we are. So let's dump the key pins out. All in and working. It's a 5-pin lock, as you can see. Was number 5 and this is number 4. Very nice pins. Okay, now for the drivers. Okay, here's my tweezers. Standard, 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 and standard. All right. I'm not sure if these are steel pins. Let's check that. No, no steel pins, just a nice color. Here we are, that's the pinning. No security pins. I think they think that the lock is just secure enough by having an evil keyway like this, but with a very thin pick, it's not a big deal to open it up. Alright, so much for the thumb turn lock sent to me by Rick Wells. Rick, thank you very much for this lock. It was great fun for me to look inside and to open it up. Thank you very much. Happy picking and bye-bye. By the way, a question. I think this thumb turn is quite useful. So why would you ever like to have a lock actually on the inside of your door? So is there an advantage to have locks on both sides? So for me, this sounds quite simple and handy when we have it this way. So with a thumb turn on the inside, because you don't need a key to lock or unlock the door, and there is no second lock you have to buy actually. So it should be cheaper this way. Yeah. I don't know any good reason for not having a combination or a configuration like this. So outside the lock and inside the thumb turn. Yeah, let me know if you know of any disadvantages of this design. Okay, thanks. Bye bye.